What's going on, everybody? I'm Linz, and I just really quickly wanted to show you two of my new diorama pieces that I just made. They're really simple, really quick. Let's dive into it. So the first one I made is this surfboard diorama. I guess it's not really a diorama, it's more like a piece. Really simple, really easy. It's a little wave and a little surfboard. You plug the surfboard into the wave and boom. Any 1/12 scale or 1/10 scale for like NECA Ultimates, for example. Any scale, honestly, if you have a 3D printer. Get any of your action figures literally on a surfboard. It's just a silly fun thing. I also made a surfboard without the peg piece, so you can actually just have like a surfboard prop or item for your action figures. I designed it sort of cartoony, very specifically for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, like you can see right here. And that's the first one. Like I said, super easy, super simple, surfs up, cowabunga. Let's move on to the rocks. And again, just really simple, really basic. We have this stepped platform, so you can display multiple figures at multiple levels of, each of the different steps. I also made this rock wall base because I thought it would be cool if you could see a bit of the rock immediately behind the action figure while it's on display. This one's my favorite, actually. I think it turned out the best. Really happy with this one. And the last one is an individual stand. I made a version with pegs, and then of course the version without pegs. I also designed a couple different crater impact stands. So these are really cool for some sort of maybe Dragon Ball Z or anime action figure where the figure's punching down or punching another character into the wall or the ground. I built a large crater stand as well as a sort of like modularized crater display, so you can move each of the crater pieces in any arrangement that you want to get it to fit your display perfectly. I think it's cool to be able to move these pieces around, display it however you like, kind of change it up every once in a while. I'd love to see what people do with this one. It's really easy to customize as well. You can paint it, weather it, and actually I'll show you right here. I used a product called Sculpt Coat to get this almost kind of Disneyland rock looking kind of thing going. If you've ever waited in line at like Indiana Jones in Disneyland, for example, this rock texture, I kind of accidentally nailed it. So I figured this like cartoony, goofy looking Disney rock would look great with these cartoony, goofy looking Harry Potter figures from NECA. And again, it's kind of the aim for all of my dioramas. I want to provide an affordable base for collectors and makers to have a good and confident start at building and customizing their own displays and their own dioramas for their collections. Paint it, sculpt it, weather it. You can do that with any of my dioramas. Both of these pieces and more, as always, at linzlabs.net. If you've made it this far in the video, of course, I really appreciate you sticking around and checking this out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe because that tells the YouTube algorithm to push my content out to more people, which really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching. I'm Linz. I'll catch you next time.